Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm going to talk real quick because we got a real bad storm coming through. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We are the family known as Stock Up. Make sure you don't fall for any spam in the comment section. And anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. All right? And today is sponsored by you simply by clicking that like button. I do want to talk about the special promo that Moo has and Weeble. Weeble has this promotion going on. This is Weeble Wednesday. Deposit $100 and get up to 12 free stock worth up to $30,000. All right. We'll get back to that in a minute. Let's just go and talk about everything that we got to talk about today. A lot of people are asking, did we miss the bottom? Did we miss the bottom? Larry, did we miss the bottom? I told you we missed the bottom. And I would say, no, you did not miss the bottom. The market is doing actually extremely well. And so the fears that's in the market has shooken off the fears, right? And so you go, well, Larry, we missed the bottom. No, I'm going to show you right now, we have not missed the bottom for those of you that want to take that position. I will be talking about Sofi in a minute. All right, so let's just look at the S&P, right? So this week, yes, we had a good week. It ran up, right? So if you started investing this week, you're up almost 4%. And some people are going, if you're new, you're going, oh, we missed it. We missed it. No, you didn't miss the bottom. There is plenty of time, all right? Let's look at year to date. Year to date, you're still down 13%, okay? As a matter of fact, I read you guys a report that says that the average investor that starts investing after the market has pulled back more than 20% actually do well after a recession. So let's just go to a year. So now, if you look, we're not negative 20% right now. We're still negative 13%, and we keep vacillating around negative 20%. We will hit negative 20% again, good people. All right. So let's go back here because the lights are flashing. It's coming down real bad, good people. So let's just go right to Sofi, shall we? I'm going to talk about Sofi. Sofi is doing extremely well right now. Sofi is up. As a matter of fact, let's go to Sofi. Let's go right here. Look at Sofi, good people. 28%. So Sofi is up 28%. And I want you guys to know that a lot of you, if you were taking my $5 a day challenge, you are up, though you may not be green today, right? So let's just look at it. Watch this. I want to show you guys the power of dollar cost averaging. Look at this. So now, this is part of the $5 a day challenge. You can see today's, we're up 28%. So this is how much I'm up today, right? But total, I'm still down 3%, right? Which is nothing, right? This is to show you how quick, if you're dollar cost averaging and you're red, how quick it could go green. All right, but you say, Larry, you're down 3%, right? Yeah, but look at what's happening if you would have bought Sofi at the beginning of the year. You would be down 47%, all right? 47%. And so that's the power of dollar cost averaging. And Sofi was in my growth stock portfolio for those of you that want to take a look at it. I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave two links. I'm going to leave a link of my $5 a day challenge that will be in this corner, okay, at the end of this video. Then I'm also going to leave a link of my top 5 pick out of all of my stock because so many of you have asked, okay? And if I'm a little jittery, the lights are actually flickering as it's storming so bad. I want to get this information out to you guys. If you look at these small cap stocks, or what they call meme stock, which they are now saying that SoFi has graduated from being a meme stock and now it's legitimate, okay? But let's take a look. As you can see, Cleveland Cliffs is up, Alibaba's up, Palantir is up. But look at this, Upstart is up 14%, AMC is up 5.5%. And so these, I believe, I'm going to get back into a lot of these plays. You guys know we were hot on these plays and we were killing it back in the day. And every day we were coming up with a new one. We were taking profits and we were leaving, right? But there's going to be a time for us to actually go in and get it. So what I'm going to do right now, for those of you that want to get into plays like this, I'm going to leave by showing you with the Webull app how you can buy fractional shares, okay? And I know these are very inexpensive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stock like AMD and I'm going to buy a fraction of a share. So I'm going to show you how to buy a fractional share with Webull. Moomoo has a promotion that if you deposit $100, you can get up to $25,000, okay? So click the link in my description below, deposit $100 in both. As you can see, with Webull, 12 free stock worth up to $30,000, deposit $100, and the same thing with Moomoo, all right? Man, it is thundering really bad. So I'm going to end it right here, good people. And I'm going to end by showing you how to buy the fractional share. If you have not subscribed, please do so right now. And let's pray that I don't lose power, all right? I had to get this out to you. I got other stuff like Robinhood cutting 23% of their jobs. We know that they reported 600,000 less jobs, okay? Because it was 11.3 million unfilled jobs. Now it's 10.7. We know that Pelosi is stirring up stuff with China. All of that stuff we'll talk about later. But let's just get this up and going, and we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Okay, first things first. Right in the center, you see reoccurring investments. Select it, and we're going to put in AMD, right? Select it, and we're going to select the minimum amount. I'm going to put in $10. You can put in as low as $5, right? And as you can see, you can put it to where it does it every week for you, right? So if you're doing $10 a day, that's $70 a week. So you can literally say $70 a week. You can buy it monthly or weekly. I'm going to put weekly, right? You can put every 2 weeks, every month, or every trading day, all right? So I'm going to go weekly, or you can go daily, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit next and then confirm. If I hit confirm, it will buy $70 a week of AMD, all right? Now, if you choose to do it daily, you can, but most people get paid weekly or bi-weekly, all right? So we're going to leave it right there. Make sure you check out my links below, and we'll see you on the next one.